Criminals and their networks hold $75 billion in crypto assets, says Chainalysis. Chainalysis, crypto crime. Criminals hold $75 billion in crypto, with darknet markets controlling $46.2 billion as illicit entity balances hit $15 billion, representing 359% surge from 2020, while CEX flows near $7 billion in H1 2025. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. October 10, 2025. Chainalysis' latest crypto crime report has revealed that criminals and their downstream networks hold approximately $75 billion in crypto assets obtained through illicit means. According to data tracked through July 2025, illicit entity balances of BTC, ETH, and stablecoins have reached nearly $15 billion. Wallets downstream from these entities, defined as those receiving over 10% of funds from illicit sources, hold over $60 billion. This represents a 359% surge from illicit crypto holdings observed in 2020. Darknet markets dominate criminal crypto asset holdings. Darknet market participants alone control over $46.2 billion in on-chain value, representing the single largest category of illicit downstream wallet holdings. This isn't surprising, given that darknet markets were among the first to adopt cryptocurrency, starting with Silk Road in 2011. Additionally, many of these wallets have benefited from years of price appreciation. Money laundering platforms such as BlackU also act as transit points, moving value through various infrastructure, which means total downstream holdings could be even higher than reported. Chainalysis suggests that while scammers and darknet markets move money quickly, hackers face operational challenges in laundering large volumes, forcing them to hold assets on-chain longer. The $1.5 billion Bybit hack linked to North Korea illustrates the difficulty of off-ramping large sums without detection. In most illicit activity categories such as stolen funds, ransomware, and darknet markets, over 50% of balances are concentrated in the top 3 wallets. Exceptions include terrorist financing and child abuse material, which are distributed across multiple wallets due to their transient nature. The asset type also affects concentration patterns. Stablecoins show less concentration than BTC or ETH across categories, likely reflecting risk management by criminals, as stablecoins can be frozen by centralized issuers if linked to illicit activity. Centralized exchanges remain primary cash-out points. Despite KYC and AML oversight, centralized exchanges remain the preferred choice for criminals to convert crypto to fiat, but their tactics are evolving rapidly. Flows from illicit sources to CEXs neared $7 billion in the first half of 2025, and have averaged over $14 billion annually since 2020. However, direct transfers from illicit entities to exchanges have declined substantially, from over 40% in 2021 to 2022 to around 15% now. This shift indicates that criminals have adapted to compliance efforts by introducing additional layering steps, such as mixers and cross-chain bridges. Data shows that occasional crimes, such as stolen funds or ransomware, have the shortest lifespans, with 50% of wallets receiving no additional inflows after the initial incident. Darknet markets, online pharmacies, and fraud shops commonly operate for 807 to 959 days, benefiting from network effects and established reputations. Terrorist financing operations show 50% survival rates at just 54 days, indicating short-lived efforts due to high attention and quick law enforcement action. Additionally, after operations, illicit entities exhibit different behaviors depending on the cryptocurrency they hold. Stablecoins are liquidated urgently. Nearly 95% are drained within 90 days after the last inflow, with only 29.5% of wallets maintaining balances after 1 year. Ethereum follows a more measured pattern, with approximately 87% of ETH moved within 90 days. However, 35.6% of wallets retain ETH for over 1 year. Bitcoin demonstrates exceptional staying power, with criminals moving only 52% of BTC within 90 days, and 36.7% of wallets maintaining Bitcoin balances after a full year. What law enforcement can do. While centralized stablecoins can be frozen by issuers, confiscating BTC and other permissionless cryptocurrencies requires obtaining private keys or intercepting funds at centralized off-ramps. To effectively capture these assets, Chainalysis suggests that authorities require expedited seizure powers for time-sensitive investigations, a robust framework for cross-border cooperation, and technical capacity with blockchain analytics tools. If authorities coordinate action and implement necessary measures, these billions in illicit proceeds sitting on public blockchains are theoretically seizable. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Dogecoin price prediction. Millions in Doge suddenly disappear from exchanges. Is a major price spike coming? Why is crypto down today? October 10th, 2025 Bitcoin price prediction. Is this 9% crash the calm before a $130,000 storm? Crypto price prediction today, October 10th, XRP, BNB coin, Sway. Price analysis. Shiba Inu price prediction. Shocking hidden data shows SHIB might be stronger than it looks. Should you get in now? 13 hours ago. By Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Same signal that preceded big crash just flashed again. Should you panic? 22 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Press releases. Wall Street Pepe ends Solana expansion phase. 5.2 BWP burned as airdrop nears. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 17 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 18 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 22 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 22 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 4 hours ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.